We are at the Krate. I think it's called, you guys. Just chilling with Bae after work. Checking it out. Trying to grab a bite. Okay, until your girl go home to go cook. Just giving you guys a little glimpse of what it looks like. It's a lot of music going on, so you know your girl don't want to get copyright. Alright, you guys, we're gonna be doing a voiceover due to the music. Your girl is not trying to get copyright. Okay, so yeah, you guys, what is the Krate? The Krate is an outdoor shopping made up entirely of old shipping containers, you guys. It is not only about shopping, it is about entertainment and something to do together in the family, you guys. Bring the family out there. Highly recommended, you guys. They have different type of restaurants you guys can check out. And yeah, bring your family. And if you are new here, by the way, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, you guys. All right, let me know that down below you are new, so your girl can give you a nice warm welcome. And yeah, you guys, I love you all so much. Don't forget to put God, always put God first, you guys. After we leave here, we are gonna be going to the lagoon. Okay, so stay tuned for that, you guys, and comment down below. Let your girl know what you guys want to see next. All right, bye y'all. Which one is that?
You want the hottest one?
No. I
You
want
want to try?
the
Oh, I see it
hottest
right
one.
there. Yeah.
Yeah, this is the hottest one. All right, you guys, you come here, go ahead and try this for your girl. Yeah.
You want to go?
You can. Now you can be seeing the drink.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
That's sweet.
Yeah. Nice place to lunch out. It's so windy, y'all. on Wednesday. I'm still in my work clothes, y'all. Your girl talk happy. Ooh, you already know. Nice people. I can talk. Happy. Got the little name of the stomach. You guys, right now we at the lagoon right here in the neighborhood. You guys, hope you guys can hear your girl. It's so windy out. Let me just show you guys the trees. All right, you guys, and looks like everybody's getting ready to go. It is spring break for us out here, and here's the slide. We will be coming here soon, you guys. Your girl gonna get on that slide right there. Yeah, let me go ahead and try to zoom in, give you guys a little glimpse. Okay, we are not far from home. But yeah, you guys, ooh, your girl's zooming in too much. It is so pretty out here. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Alright, you guys, let's go ahead and go. I forgot to tell you about the Jamaican food, y'all. It was good and all that, but you know, it's not your girl curry goat. You feel me? It's not mine. I am not bragging on anything like that. I'm just saying. Alright, it is not mine. But it was good. I can say it was good. Alright? We're just gonna leave it like that, girl. Okay, so your girl's out of here. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to always put God first, babe. Until next time, eBay, I love you all so much. Bye, y'all. Ooh, ooh, it's about to rain. Ooh, it's about to rain. All right, let me go. Gotta go home and shower. So, in my work clothes. Bye. Love you all. Bye, eBay.